Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I had to film this video. It just had to happen. We're going to be talking through the full October base BoxyCharm box today. This is going to include all of the current spoilers that we have, plus a full BoxyCharm variation that is coming in October. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And please don't forget to subscribe, because I do upload 3 or 4 times a week. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the first official variation for the month, plus a whole bunch of spoilers, stay tuned. All right, we're going to jump right into it. I'm going to start this video in a way that I never do, and that is to remind you, make sure you're following me on all of my other social media platforms, Brett Harris Beauty on Instagram and Brett Guy Glam everywhere else, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter. If it's a social media platform, I am Brett Guy Glam, and on Instagram, I am Brett Harris Beauty. I do post different things everywhere, so it's not always going to be the same as what you see on YouTube, so make sure you're following me on all of those platforms so you can get the best of everything. Now, jumping into this. So I'm going to give you guys the situation first. So the shipping company that dispatches BoxyCharm boxes made a little bit of a snafu, and somebody was receiving their September box a little bit late, but they were getting their September box, and they accidentally sent them an October variation. So Jadi G, a very good friend of mine, confirmed with Joe last night, technically, that this is a legitimate October variation. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys variation 24. Now, the first item is from Ciate London. It is the New England Editor palette. Retails for $32. Inspired by New England in fall, the palette features super soft and blendable shadows in a mix of richly pigmented autumn hues. Mix and match metallics, glitters, and mattes for an effortless eye look. Now, we did receive this palette in premium a few months ago, so I'm assuming that this is a variation specifically for people who did not get this already in their premium boxes, because not everyone in the base box list gets premium. So they probably had a bunch of palettes, and this was a really pretty one that a lot of people expressed interest in. So I love that Boxy listens, because I loved this palette when it came in my box, and I did get a lot of people who were upset that it wasn't a base box variation as well. The next item out of the box is from Luxie. It is the Wanderlust set. It retails for $40. Create an eye-catching look with this 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. Versatile collection includes a tapered shading brush, blending brush, medium angled brush, larger shading brush, and a lash brush. Stash them in your Luxie pouch for glam on the go. Now, this was also teased in a TikTok video that I'll post in a little bit when I'm talking about additional spoilers, but I did actually get a chance to feel these brushes when I was in Joe's office 3 or 4 weeks ago when Jadi and I went to BoxyCharm HQ. They are super soft. Connor, the CEO of Luxie, was actually there that day as well. So I did get to pick his brain on the set as well. And let me tell you, they are some beautiful brushes. Now, I will be honest, I have about 1 million Luxie brushes, and at this point, I pretty much have every one that they've ever made. So as far as whether or not these brushes are different than the other ones, they feel to be the same quality. They are a different color handle, so they are a little different for those of you who like to collect. But they are still the same Luxie quality that we already know and have come to expect from Luxie. Next is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. Retails for $24. Multitasking full coverage concealer has a lightweight, easy to blend formula. It will conceal dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin imperfections. Now, this is another thing I got to play with a little bit when I was at Joe's office, because they had all of the colors lined up. Personally, I think it is a great medium buildable coverage concealer. It does lean towards that full coverage glam if you really wanted to build it out, or if you put a little bit less product and blend it, you can get a much softer look. Obviously, when my formal box does come, I will do a full demonstration with all of these products. But just to get you guys excited about what's coming in the box, I did want to share it with you today, since how often do we get a full variation reveal before the month even starts? The next item is from Sol de Janeiro. It's the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Coupa Cow Lip Butter. Soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of butter, acai, and coconut oils. Cushiony soft and super conditioned for lip-loving benefits to transform dry, rough lips to your most kissable and scrumptious aroma of dulce de leche. Retails for $20. Even if I got this, you guys know I would not be using it. Coconut oil is one of those ingredients I do try to steer clear of. I am sensitive to it. It will cause me to break out and my skin to congest, even around the lip area. So not something I would have used on camera anyway, but I can vouch for it. It smells delicious. They do swatch really pretty, so it's a nice soft look. If you also have a coconut sensitivity, I would recommend the Beauty For Real lip balms This one is in Laura, which is like my all-time favorite. It is a similar shade. It will just give you that soft, little bit of hydration, but a little bit of shimmer and gloss to the lips without being a full-on lip gloss. Definitely something to look into if you might not like coconut. If you love the Sol de Janeiro products like I do, I think you're going to love this product. But like I said, because of a coconut sensitivity, I will not personally be using it. And the last item in this box variation is from Spongelet. It is the Cherry Tonka Musk Body Wash Infused Buffer. We've received these buffers several times. So it is a limited edition body wash infused with a special scent. They retail for $20, and they're pre-soaked sponges. Now that I've looked at this a little bit more, it actually feels a little bit like the Best Of box. So typically with a new subscriber, and I know there are some people on Instagram who have seen this and gotten a little offended, but if you went on today and you've never been a BoxyCharm subscriber and you went in and you subscribed today, you would not get the same October box everyone else does. You'll get some of the October products and some favorites from previous boxes as well. So just looking at this, I'm inclined to believe that this might be one of those boxes where you're getting a few favorite items that people have been raving about, mixed with some of the exciting products like Dose of Colors and Luxie that are coming in the box to everyone. Now, all in all, the base subscription box will cost you $25, and it is a $136 value for this variation. The palette alone is worth more than the $25, so it is definitely a variation that I will say 100% is worth its money, hands down. Now, I cannot wait to get my variation so I can do a full demo for you on everything. Today I am skipping the makeup application just because I feel like it doesn't make sense if I'm not using everything in the box. Now I am going to insert a video that was on TikTok a few days ago. Michaela, I'll put her handle down here as well, is a fantastic creator. I think she makes some of the most entertaining TikToks ever. She just hit 2 million, which is amazing, so congratulations, Michaela. What I did want to mention, and I will put her video right here, is she was showing off some of the spoiler products for the month of October. So she did show off the Dose of Colors Concealer. In addition to that, you will see the Tarte Maracuja Spray Mist, which is a setting spray. You will see the Luxie brushes. You will see a Beauty Bakery palette that made a beautiful fall look.
Poppin'. It's almost October, and you know what that means? Soon you'll be getting your October BoxyCharm. I'm excited to get the early access so I can show you guys what you may be getting in your box. First, we got a Luxie Beauty brush set. Here's a close-up of the brushes. They're beautiful. The Dose of Colors Concealer. Never tried this. Can't wait. The Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist. I've had my eye on this for a while. And the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed palette. I've never tried this brand. Let's try out these products. Let's try the concealer. I got one for highlight and one for contour. So this is shade Deep. Alright, now I'm highlighting. It definitely brightened. That's really nice. Good job, Dose of Colors. Here's the Beauty Bakery palette. Definitely feel like creating a vampy look with this today. Let's see what I can create. Alright, I did something vampy. I'm keeping it in the fall theme. And I used the Luxie brushes to create the look. Let's finish off with the spray. I love this kind of mist. Comment down below what you'd like to see in your October box.
Now, I did want to say I think the look that she made was absolutely stunning. I'm really happy with how all of those products performed. There is nothing she used in the video that I have not swatched, used, or played with personally, so I can say 100% they do perform just the way she said. Again, Luxie brushes, you know how they are. We've gotten so many of them over the course of the past few years in BoxyCharm. Beauty Bakery makes some amazing powders. I had not gotten a chance to play with it the last time I did a spoiler video, but since that happened, I have gone to the BoxyCharm headquarters. I did play with some products while I was there, and that palette is absolutely beautiful. So I will be in the description or in the comment section for as long as humanly possible chatting with you guys if you have any specific questions, concerns. What do you guys think of the variation we found? Do you agree with me? Do you think that it's like a best of variation, or do you think this is a legitimate full subscriber variation or not? Just a little bit of speculation. And while I have you, I did show you guys the front of the theme card, but it does say save the date for the exclusive members only discount in Boxy pop-up, which will start all access on November 10th. So, big news, set your calendars. Boxy Pop-Up is an amazing event. I mean, I'm wearing my Boxy Pop-Up t-shirt. You guys can't even really see it. But it is a BoxyCharm t-shirt that did come in pop-up a couple pop-ups ago. Pop-up runs every 3 months where they do super discounted rates on some amazing beauty products. Your favorites have all been there. I've done a couple pop-up unboxings with BoxyCharm. I did a BoxyCharm pop-up Zoom call once where I got to hang out with a bunch of you in a private, like 50-person meet and greet, which was really cool. And most importantly, every month I get to unbox some pop-up stuff for you. I was featured last month in the B Word blog, which is BoxyCharm's blog, talking about my top picks, and I am loving did I say last month? I meant to say last pop-up because it was in the middle of the summer, but last pop-up, I got to talk about the products I was most excited. It was more of a self-care vibe for me, and I have been playing with those products for the past few months, and I am just as obsessed as I was when they came in the mail. So like I said, make sure to sound off down below with what you're thinking as far as October boxes. What do you think of the spoilers that are coming? Give me all of your details because I want to know. I will be talking to you guys down in the comment section. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.